Alright, so today we're going to just do a quick setup of this Sunsa wand. We have our blinds already. We have to take our old one off and put this new one on. It starts with downloading the Sunsa app. So you just type in Sunsa and install your app. So you do have to create an account with your email, but once you've done that, it will ask you to simply add a device and we'll get started. We have to identify the parts of our blinds. Alright, we can do that. Manual wand is the one that came with your blinds. Okay. Spindle is how the wand connects. And the spindle type. So now we need to go check that out. So it looks like ours is an eye hook, and I don't know how to take that off yet, so I'm going to go back to the app.
So this little metal piece was right up in there, and it was looped around this part. So I just had to bend this part to the side to get it to unhook, and then it came out.
So then the app shows you that you need to get your batteries in. Unfortunately, it comes with batteries. So you just unscrew the end, put them on the positive side, and just drop your 4 batteries in. We have horizontal blinds, so we need to stick the horizontal blind in. So I'll probably be using this one because we're on that side. Okay, so attach it to the spindle. Right. Leave as left side, right? So this is left side.
It needs to go further till you feel a snap.
Oh. Oh, like that. And then I can twist it. Cool. Like
Locks
that.
it in place.
So that way it's gonna go.
Okay.
Fully open. So I just have to keep pushing this till it's fully open. Alright, is that fully open?
Mm-hmm.
Fully closed.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Alright, then I opened it back up. Did the blinds go back to fully opened? Yes, it did. So that closes it that way. Screw that up. Open.